Alright, here we go. They give us a shape, a triangle PQR on the Cartesian plane, and they ask us to translate that shape 9 units to the right and 1 unit down. Alright, so what I'm going to do here at the bottom is I'm going to make a list of what happens to my coordinates. Right, so what is the point P? So there, P is the point, what is that? Negative 5 and 1, you can read it off there. Negative 5, 1. Alright, at the top of that I'm going to write down my general rule. Remember I told you about general rules? So any input value x, y, what happens to it? X, y becomes 9 units to the right, which means I go x plus 9. And then what happens to the y value? Y, 1 unit down means y minus 1. So let's apply that rule to P to get my P prime, or actually they say I must call it P double prime, right? Previous question was P prime, so here we go. What do I get? Minus 5 plus 9 gives you 4, and 1 minus 1 gives you 0. So I can go plot that point. That'll be at 4, so 9 across and 1 down. There it is. There's my P double prime, that's 4 and 0. See that? Plotted the point there. 4 and 0. What happens to my point Q? Let's say I started off with Q, which was the point. Let's see. Negative 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 2 and 4. What happens to that under that transformation? So I put the negative 2 and 4 in there. Negative 2 plus 9 is 7. So my Q double prime is 7, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So I can go plot that point 7 and 3. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and up to 3. So 7 and 3. There it is. And then the next one, let's just write that down. That's my point Q prime. I'm going to write it in. I've got a list here at the bottom of my coordinates. So if they wanted the new coordinates, you will do this. If they wanted the general rule, you will do this. All they wanted you to do was actually just draw the shape. But I need the calculation, right? And then the point R, which is negative 2 and 1, 2. So negative 2 and 2 under my transformation becomes R prime. Negative 2 plus 9 is 7 again, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So I can plot that point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1. That's my point R double prime. And I can draw the shape in. There it is. And as you can see, exactly the same shape, just shifted over that way. Alright, that's it.